Well, hello there. Here I am trying to show you the M87 project. The galaxy that is the golden galaxy, millions of light years away. And of course, here is the 1000 watt high pressure sodium lamp that I got in a package. It's the premium 1000 watt high pressure sodium grow lamp. This one is nice. I have several. I have Sylvania, Philips, 1000 watt. So let us enter the fourth dimension. And I will vanish instantly into the fourth dimension. That's what would happen if they were to take my body, soul and spirit out of this terrestrial reality. I would immediately, poof, disappear. And I can demonstrate this. And then we will take a look at the 1000 watt high pressure sodium vapor lamp spectacle. Stand by. At the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. And there I am, vanished from the screen. As it were, if it were possible to extract me into the fourth dimension. All right, let me come back. Stand by, please. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And hello again. Here I am, vanished from the ether, the invisible reality thereof, into this dimension. Anyways, I did show you the lamp in the package. And then I will now show you the greater lamp that is hung up upon the ceiling in my bedroom. Please stand by. Thanks. And so here is the lamp hung up from the ceiling. As you can see, here's a close-up thereof. At the count of 3 again. 1, 2, and 3. And there we have it. It turns pink, orange, and then golden in a rapid rate. I have a powerful starter on this 1000 watt core and coil magnetic ballast. It is not electronic, mind you. This is the heavy hulking ballast that is upon my floor. And as it warms up, it really creates an aura and iridescent presence of a golden light everywhere and all about.
I was a quasar before I became M87 in this sodium arc tube lamp. I shine brightly.
Now, as I have mentioned a few minutes earlier, that I have several of these. I have a Sylvania, Philips. I have other 1000 watt lamps. This will take a while. These take a while to warm up. They are large lamps. And this is what you see at the high mast centers, the cradle that are winched up to a height of 40 to 50 feet, even higher than that, above the streets and clover leaves and ramps of highways. I shall leave it on just for a minute or two, and then I will switch it off. In conjunction with Messier 87, the galaxy, millions of light years away, with a supermassive black hole. When they take a picture of it using the telescopes, it is exactly the same spectrum, orange, golden, red-shifted light coming from that distance. Of course, it is a gigastar galaxy system, meaning that there are trillions of stars in that globular and elliptical galaxy. Let me turn it off and we shall proceed with the video. At the count of 3 backwards. 3, 2, and 1. And there we have it. And of course the arc tube is molten hot from such temperatures. The ceramic composition thereof as you can see, it has quite an orange glow to it. Well, here it is. And let me return back with you again. Please stand by. Thank you. So, we have had a short lesson, a session of the bright light. And again, for your convenience, I shall disappear into the 4th dimension, vanish instantly, and then reappear again. At the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. And there I am, out of sight. Hope you have enjoyed this video. And stay tuned. At least if you want to, subscribe or submit to my channel, The Immaculatorium. And of course, I shall appear again at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And there we have it. Well, take care, and peace. In Latin, fiat lux, let there be light. Take care.